This is Lance from Sunnybrook Combine Parts. This is our Claas Lexion conventional concave lineup. We are manufacturing these systems for the wide body and for the narrow body. In the Lexion concave system, we do have a small grain concave, we have a multi-crop concave, and we have a large grain concave available. Just again, depending on which crops you are growing. This concave is our large grain setup. So you can see it's a narrow body that has 5 box inserts throughout the front 2 rows. This concave has 2 sets of round bar to promote separation. This is minimal threshing and more separation. Again, the very feed in the center designed to split the crop and move it side to side back to the wires where the separation happens. Each one of these concaves, whether it's the narrow body, the wide body, the small grain, multi-crop, or the large grain, all of the frames are built heavy duty. There is an incredible amount of durability to these concaves, which allows for better threshing, better separation, and better samples. Be better with Sunnybrook Combine Parts.